Famous Dave's. That's the Famous Dave's right there. That looks new. What's that say? Thirsty Pony? Whoa, look at that place right there. Looks fun. Doesn't that look fun? It's got all the colors for kids.
The season pass?
Yes, and we're staying at the Hotel Breakers.
Awesome. Can I scan the season pass?
Absolutely.
Perfect. Very nice. All right, Damon. To get to the Hotel Breakers, take this out to the road and just follow it all the way back.
Okay, great.
Enjoy
Thank
your
you.
stay.
Thank you. Ooh, look at that one. Golly, which one is that? It's like roller coasters everywhere. No, I'm gonna be here for a couple days. Woo! Oh, they're gonna come around this corner. No, my goodness, look at that. Jeez. Oh, there's that one that just drops straight down. That's crazy. It goes to the edge and then it tilts and leaves you there and then it drops down. And look at this one. This is
yeah, this is when Casey told me
top
about.
speed.
It pulls you up and drops you down or something. Or is that the other one?
It's like 120 miles. No, this is the fast one. This one shoots out. If you see it when it takes off. I think this is the one. Yeah, I think this is top shot something. Yeah, there it goes. Look at this bank right here. Hey. Yeah, I don't think anybody's there.
It's alright if we can't bring our firearms.
Oh, there it is. It just hit the top. I just threw up my lunch. It's like King the Ka. Oh, they're having a little picnic. so we're all checked in. Bull Mark at the desk, very helpful. So there we go. We are at Breakers Resort, and let the fun games begin. Let's see. Room 2326. Wall safe. There's a little wall safe. Okay, hanging hooks. Bathroom. Fire pits in the beach. Not bad. All right, here we are at Hotel Breakers. There's two wings, east, west, and then there's the center wing. They got 3 hot tubs, 2 outside, 1 inside, along with the pools. So, not a bad place. The one thing I will say is, it's like a little bit of a maze trying to figure out how to get from the parking lot to your place. It kind of twists around. So the main way to get around this hotel, you got this center area, the rotunda area, and then it breaks out from there. So we're staying in the main building. And this is the weekend before Memorial Day weekend. So this is probably one of the slowest weeks here, Sunday. So this wing that's closest to the water park is closest to that entrance right there. And if you park in this parking lot, you're literally like feet away from the entrance with the early entrance. Save yourself a couple more steps. There's a Cedar Point Beach entrance. Park over here, maybe put your stuff in your car, put you right here at this one roller coaster. Not sure which one this is. And sure is not open. I think that's going to be open next week, I would imagine. All right. So lighthouse is down that way. And you got your security screen in here. Yeah, so winding up at Cedar Point, Sandusky, Ohio. Fun park, especially, not just only, but especially if you like roller coasters. This is probably the most roller coasters I've seen in any amusement park. And they're all good. They all have their own special thing that they do, which is really nice. Couple of tips, definitely plan out the roller coasters that you're gonna ride. Get the app and think about getting the fast pass. Maybe staying on properties gonna let you in an hour early so you can get into the park at 9 o'clock as opposed to 10 o'clock. Also, you get different parking, you get better parking. So we stayed at Breakers, which was about, I don't know, maybe a 5-10 minute walk to a separate gate coming in the morning. So it was kind of cool. There's still a little bit of a line, but it's nice and chill. You come in and then you get access to the roller coasters. So if you plan it out right, coming in early, you can get about 2 roller coasters in easy, right? And there's some people coming to park, they can barely get 1 ride in. So get here early, try to do the early option for that. Now on top of that, they have 3 different, let's say, children's areas, including a barnyard area. I like the barnyard area. That was a lot of fun. They got camels, llamas, alpacas. They got all kinds of animals there. So it's a lot of fun. They have a sky ride and the train. Then the train was a nice little surprise for me because riding that train, as you're going along on the train, they have like these little scenes that are acted out as you're going by on a train. So it keeps it entertaining. It's not just a train and you're riding along and you see like these different scenes. The other thing I liked about riding the train is, especially when you get up in the frontier area, getting into the frontier area, you really feel like you're in a different park, right? Kind of the same park, but different. The themes, they are going really hard on the themes here. I like the way they do the themes, so it's kind of split up. So you can kind of feel from the theme that they're doing in that area, what part of the park you're in. There's really not a lot of guessing this you have to do on that. Towards the front, you have kind of like the boardwalk area. That's where they have Gatekeeper. It has a light color feel, very bright and everything. That's at the beginning when you first come into the park. That's also for the kids when they come in. You got the Snoopy camp area. So that's right there. Nice, bright, lit up. So it's a good place to meet with people. They have the Ferris wheel and everything. Then they do have a lot of rides. One thing I will say is with all these rides, get the app, especially if you're into the roller coasters and the thrill rides, because they periodically go down. If it rains, they still ride. If there's thunder and lightning, they stop. So always keep that in mind. If you see rain, check your weather app. If it says lightning, they're probably gonna wind up shutting down, at least for a little bit. But if it's only rain, best time to ride. Ride in the rain, you can always dry off later, but you have an experience. Now, as far as the food, I really enjoyed the food here. I checked out a couple of different places, the pavilion, the barbecue place. They had like a Western place that I checked out. Every single place, the food was good. French fries were fresh cut. It doesn't taste like amusement park food. This is actually really good food. It's good. And you have a couple of healthy options. In the app, you can even find, if you're looking for vegetarian or vegan food, you can find that in the app and different places to eat. Also in the app, it hooks up to the GPS, so it will guide you through the whole park. So you don't have to worry about that. You can just pull up the app and it will map out which way to go to get to the different places. Here's another area. This is the kiddie land right here. See how it's all bright and colored and everything, carried along that theme. And that's kind of like the classic carnival rides and everything. Now, a good way to travel from the front of the park to the back of the park is the train. The Sky Ride, if it's windy, it doesn't run. And that's only from the beginning of the park to about midway. Now we'll talk about a couple of the rides. Now I rode Maverick. I rode about 4 different roller coasters, but that was my favorite. That one had a nice mixture of everything that was there. And it gave me a good feeling of a roller coaster. It had a couple of twists, turns, speed, and there's a little surprise in there if you don't know about it, so that's always a lot of fun. So that was one of my favorites. There are a lot of good roller coasters here.